Being a local shop, it is not easy now just to have your one channel, expect your customers to come to you and walk through the door, even with all the advertising that goes on in social media and everything else like that. It is important to have a website, not only for your existing customers to see what you've got so they can pre-plan their trip, to say, oh yes, it's worthwhile going in, but also to take advantage of those that are now buying and shopping online. And that's why I got the Revenue Optimization team to have a look at my website and see what I could do, because I didn't understand it at the time, but there are a lot of little tweaks and fiddles that you can do with the existing themes and the apps in the Shopify's store that will actually help you and help your business grow and make it easier for your customers to buy off you. We got a nice little report. When I say little, it was about 20 pages long, detailing they are having a little block on what that particular item of improvement was, linking out to a little picture, so it was all nice and easy to read, and I could add those off in bite-sized chunks and get onto them and do all the little tweaks that were necessary to be like the big stores effectively, because you've got that team behind you that are dealing with these multi-million-dollar stores, so they know what's working, so they can help you do this. And being a one-man band, we've got to do everything. I was able to do a lot of those little tweaks by myself by being a little bit proactive and looking and hunting around what to do. You can also, of course, hire developers that will actually do a lot for you too, which with a couple of the items I think that I'll do that as well. So I really enjoyed the report. It was great. It's making and it was amazing when you can get banner blindness yourself and you don't realize and you can't see the wood for the trees. There's something glaring at you